it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello, happy Sunday, beautiful people. Wow.
Guys, 3 more days.
Yes, and we have so much energy because we slept like 9 hours.
Yeah, it was good.
Yes, much needed rest. Never enough time for rest though.
We are now going to a flower market, which I am excited about. But then we have 2 other markets to go to,
Which we're less keen on.
Don't tell Sharon.
Man. Okay, see you later.
Any bunch for a $5 there?
Okay, hi guys. We're in a bookstore here, Waterstones, because we're doing a little challenge. Baldeep and I need to pick 3 books for Sharon to choose from because she set a resolution that in 2020 she wants to read 20 books. So we're helping her pick some books. So Baldeep picked 3 books that she thinks she might like. I picked 3, and we're gonna see. We're gonna see which ones she liked, if these resonate with her, and how she's feeling.
Okay, ladies, are we ready to present the books?
Yeah, you go first. What do you pick up for yourself?
The Yakubian Building. It's about all different characters that live in a building in Cairo, Egypt.
That's it.
Love it. Baldeep, why don't you go first?
You go first.
You go one back and forth.
Okay, fine. You hold the camera.
What's your first book, Karen?
Okay, so the first book that I picked was, considering that you said you're interested in nonfiction,
Huh?
I picked Boulder, a
Who began?
nonfiction book about making the most of long lives.
It is horrible.
She says she wants nonfiction.
Okay, you want my nonfiction? What was my nonfiction?
Malala?
Oh. Nope. My nonfiction, the first one I picked up was The Bookseller of Gobble. And this is about a man, Sultan Khan, and he used to supply books to the people of Gobble, and he was arrested, interrogated, and imprisoned. And then pretty much there was a story written on him, and we learn of proposals and marriages, hope and fear, crime and punishment, and the result, unique portrait of family and a country.
That sounds juicy. Dare I say that sounds like my cup of tea.
So round 1 goes to Baldeep.
Yeah, round 1 goes to B.
Thank you.
How about,
Actually, seems really interesting. I was wanting to read it.
so how about, yeah, first round's nonfiction, second round's fiction, and third round's wild card.
Okay.
Okay, well that's not fair because the last one I picked up was just like,
Wild card?
yeah. 'cause
I
she was
saw
like-
her.
No, I just got
Wild card.
pressured into picking up another non-fiction.
Well, you're the one that said you wanted to do 3 rounds, and then...
Oh, whatever, it's fine, B.
Okay, go.
Okay, so my second book is by Ian McEwan or whatever, The Cockroach. It's basically, why I picked is because Sharon said that she wants to read 20 books, so I thought I'd do a book that's kind of easy. It's really short, and it's basically just a story. It kind of seems like it has a bit of a magical surrealism slant. It's the story of a man who wakes up from a dream and finds out that he's transformed into a different creature.
She lost me a magical realism.
Okay, the next book I picked up was The Bastard of Istanbul.
I took a
I
picture
saw
of that.
you. I saw
So you
you.
cheated.
No, I saw her after. 'cause I
After.
was like, well, what are you picking up?
I just did it right at the end.
And so this is a book about. Would you like me to just read the back of it?
Maybe just a brief summary.
Okay. A 19-year-old unmarried woman walks into a doctor's surgery and says, I need to have an abortion. That's it. That's all you need.
Oh, that wasn't what I didn't read that. I read the back of the book and I didn't see that.
It's
That's
the first
before that.
3 sentences.
Before the main paragraph.
Oh, I just read the main paragraph.
Oh, yeah. Well, pretty much, I'm almost sure she has this kid, and hence the title.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Should I say who the second round goes to?
Yeah.
Who do you think it goes to? Baldeep. Yeah.
I listen, I ask questions, Karen didn't want to ask questions. Because she's
Well, what questions did you ask?
I asked her what kind of girl she is. Like, is she a rom-com, comedy?
But the thing is, I knew I was gonna lose this challenge from the jump because I already know what books I'm interested in, so
You
I can't
were
even think about.
yeah, you were too affected by yourself.
Yeah, it was hard for me to separate the stuff that I'm interested in because, like this, I would read this. I wouldn't read this.
But I can see Baldeep
This I
because
would read.
I told Baldeep this is my favorite book. I thought it would help her, and it did help her because
What
it's
was your
about
favorite book?
Thousand Splendid Suns, which
Oh,
is about
I knew that.
Afghanistan.
It was easy for me because I would read these too.
So yeah, I wouldn't read these. I would read these.
Okay, last wild card.
So the third is a book that I read by Murakami. Sorry. He's a really good writer, an amazing writer. I think once again, if you haven't been reading in a while and you decide to pick up one of his books, it's very easy to get through, and he writes in a beautiful way. The plot of this story is that Sumir, this young, fascinating woman, is in love with a woman 17 years older than her. She confides into her best friend Kay, who is a man, and he happens to be in love with her as well, but he's never going to say it, or who knows, maybe he will. And basically, in the summer, the girl goes missing on a Greek island, and he has to go find her. But it's not a scary story, like, if that helps. It's not scary, it's more just like a question about love and desire.
Interesting.
The last book I picked up, one I have read.
Oh,
surprise,
Baldeep reads?
surprise, Baldeep read. It's I Am Malala, and obviously this is a real story, and I just thought it was really interesting because I had heard about Malala but didn't know her actual story, and I just, it was a roller coaster ride, TBH.
Was it?
It was good.
Huh.
It was actually really good. From like the minute she gets shot in the bus to like all this crazy stuff, it was just a ride.
Kind of like the autobiography of Malcolm X.
So who should I say is the winner?
She's literally holding I Am Malala in her hands.
Well, I think this round's harder, but I like Baldeep's recommendation of it. Whereas Kiran's, I was like love and desire. I'm not keen on that.
But it's not a love story. It's not romantic at all.
But I don't want to. But still, I'm not like fascinated by like what are the limits of love. You know what I mean?
This game was rigged. There was collusion.
No,
No, Baldeep is the winner.
Congrats, Baldeep. Congrats.
Okay, let's go stand in the long line now.
Are you going to buy all these?
No, I'm gonna make my decisions.
Love taking snaps of us.
Okay, guys. We are off. We are leaving this mall.
I'm gonna go watch them play.
Yes, featuring Dani from Love Island. Excited.
We are at
The
a
show. We're waiting. We got here real early because we're early birds. Early bird gets the worm
We can't film this, so
because that's immoral.
yeah.
We don't stream things illegally.
So we're just gonna show you a little sneak peek right now, and then talk about it after.
Guess what? Hollywood did come. Look.
You're gonna make us famous. I thought you were all superstars. A whole lot of you.
Yeah, so did I. So let's give them a superstar.
Hi guys, it's us. Just two American girls missing their Shake Shack.
We're gonna try it, see if it's the same.
And we'll keep you posted.